It tickles so bad. Uh, oh. I was supposed to be talking in this one, but I don't know what the hell to say, so. Oh. And it's too hard to read something. Oh, try. Oh, trying to sneeze. So I'll just try and announce, I guess, the sneeze.